So again, thumb rule, always start by skimming and scanning the question. That is one of the very basic things. I've been repeating this again and again. If you've probably watched some of my previous videos, I would have said that always start by skimming and scanning. Now, if you skim and scan this question, one thing that I can tell you for sure that this passage is about bats, right? So let's start reading. Of the more than 1,000 species worldwide, 22 are dash to North America. There's something to North America. They're talking about the bat species. 22 are citizens to North America. No, we don't have citizens. They don't have the passport. Can't be resident. Can't be locally. They're native to America. So why we say something is native to this thing is like they originate from there or they belong to that place. So they are native to that place. And while there are no pollinated bats in our area, gardeners should dash that do live here because they are insectivorous. There are no pollinator. Pollinator means like something that produces these bats. So they don't have like the producing bats. So they should victor those bats that do live here because they're insectivorous defending champion. Okay, I would not go with victor because victor is like a name, right? If it is victory, maybe defending. You're not defending against something. They're not like working against each other. I wouldn't put kill as well because the sense of the sentence says that there is no pollinator bats. That means that there is no way that they can grow these bats. So I think the only answer option that is left is champion. That means they should cherish those that do live here because they are insectivorous. Now, what's insectivorous? Let's have a look. Now, this is an interesting feature in the AI. If you click on the word, it straight away tells you the meaning. And let's see. Okay, so it's an adjective. It says feeding on the insects, something that feed on insects. These bats dash moths, beetles, and mosquitoes and eat up to 500 mosquito-sized insects per hour. These bats dash. These bats, we just looked at what is insectivorous. So I'll probably say like consume moths, beetles, mosquitoes. They also dash gardens and crops from such pests as cucumber beetles, earthworms, and leafhoppers. They also dash. They also consume gardens and crops. That wouldn't make sense, no. So they no, they protect from. So the collocation over here, if you look at this case, in this case, the collocation is you always protect from. All right. So are you clear with this? So this should be the right way to do it. And let's see what is the correct answer. As you can look, the answer is correct. A thumb rule of collocations is please ensure that you read the question carefully. Skim and scan. The hint is always given in the passage. If you are thinking that vocabulary is everything, that is not going to help you. So good luck, everyone.